two stop loss rule. If you don't know, I'll make a separate video on that. Anyways, so FOMC meeting is supposed to be ending today, so highly unlikely there will be any movement in Nifty in a directional sense. So for today, Nifty support exists at 25,365 and resistance exists at 25,465, around 470. As per SGX Nifty, we are supposed to open with a small gap up, and if we get the resistance at 25,470, then we can imagine a pullback to 25,407 and 25,366. That can happen, and then market can go again, remain in sideways. So we have to wait for a directional move once the FOMC is done, and considering that the bond yields have gone negative after a very long time, I think we are now looking at a pullback, lower pullback, and not upper pullback, upper move breakout based on the FOMC meeting, right? So we will know what steps Fed is going to take. The bad part is market has already factored in a rate cut. So a rate cut of up to 0.5 by the Fed will actually be negative for the market, and anything more than 0.5 should be positive for the market. So let's see how it goes tonight. So till then, better to stay away from Nifty today. I'm not trading Nifty today. And so let's look at the Bank Nifty expiry. So we might still get a chance in Bank Nifty. So let's understand what Bank Nifty holds for us. Bank Nifty, the support is at 52,058, breaking below which you can go to 51,906, and if 51,900 fails to hold, then we have a very good range of 51,679 as the downside target. On the upside, 52,330 is going to be critical, crucial resistance for Bank Nifty. So if a gap up happens and at this level it makes an open high, then quite naturally it can pull back to 52,144 and 52,058 from there, which is a good trade to start with. So the opening, the 15 minutes is when I expect to have a good trade in Bank Nifty today. And if it sustains, let's say it goes to 52,330, and instead of reversing back, it is sustaining at this resistance and then gives a positive candle breakout over here, then we can expect 52,482 and 52,703. However, I would be very, very pessimistic about a big move, but I would like to book profits very fast. So today is probably a 12.5 or 25% day. Don't know what 12.5 and 25%? Look at the linked video and you will understand what I'm talking about. So I hope today will be a better day for us, and there are some stocks which are looking very good. Join the live stream and find out. And thank you very much for all your support and love. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and have a great day, guys. Bye bye.